Yo, what's up, guys? Maggie Guitar is back with another episode of lesson. So for this year, I want to wish you all a happy new year and a prosperous new year so far. For this year, the year 2023, we are going from grace to grace. We are going from multiplication to multiplication. Okay, guys? And I want to shout out a very big thank you to all my new subscribers and the old subscribers, okay? All my new likes and new commenters, okay? I want to say thank you very much for supporting this channel, okay? I do really appreciate it. Thanks, guys, for staying tuned on this channel, okay? For today, or for this year, I'm going to come up with a good sound and a good lesson that's going to help and enhance your playing skill, okay? So I will urge you guys to stay tuned on this channel, okay? If you have not subscribed, hit on the subscribe button, okay? And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video. Please guys, I will really recommend you drop any suggested video you want me to make for you. I will do it for you, please. Just drop it on the comment section, okay? So I have these links I made some time ago. I know many of you might not, some of my new subscribers, you might not watch the links. So I'm going to make the links again and add more new links, okay? So you can work on. This link will help you in your worship section, okay? It can help you also in your jazz playing. You can apply them, okay, as well. It's going to work more better too. So. Okay, so I will be doing this lesson in the key of D, okay? Within this lesson, the key of D, this is the key of D. Okay? So that is the key of D, that is the key of D on the third string, okay? We have it here also on the second string. We have it on the first string here. So this is on the third string. Okay? So the first lick I want to show you, okay, is I want you to play something like this. So this is what I'm playing there. Okay? This is what I'm playing there. I'm playing from the T do, okay? T do, T do. T do, T do, okay? T do, la, T, okay? Okay, sorry. Okay, T do, la, T, so, okay? Then you now play your re, fa, re, mo, mi, okay? Okay, Ti, do, la, ti, sol, si, la. Okay, Ti, do, la, ti, sol, si, la. Okay, when you play that, you go to your re, fa, re, mo, mi. Okay. Okay, so you can also play that on another octave here, okay? Okay, it's very simple because you have your T do, here again. You have your T do here again. Okay, T do, la, T. Okay. 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 Because this is a re, mi, fa. So you have your re, fa, re, mo, mi. Okay. 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 So if you like the video, hit on the subscribe button, smash the like button, okay? So you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video, okay? So that is the first lick. So the second lick I want you to learn is something like this. Okay. What I'm playing there is the T, do, re, okay. T, do, re, T, so, okay. Re, fa, re, do, ti, re, do, ti, so, re, do, ti, so. Okay. All those licks are being applied when you are going to your one note. Okay. Maybe you are revising on your one chord or your minor chord. Okay. Those stuff you can apply something like that. Okay. Ti, do, re. For the first string, Ti, do, re. Because this is do, ti, re. Okay, so you play. Then you slide your T again. Ti, so, re, do, ti. Okay? Ti, so, re, do, ti, so. When you slide the T, you slide to the T. So. Okay? And you can play that also here. Okay? Okay? Okay, you can play that again. So I believe you getting what I'm trying to show you there. So that is the second lick I want you to learn. Okay. So the third lick I want you to learn is okay. So what I'm playing there is I'm playing the triad. Okay, playing the triad there. From the re, mi, re, va to the mi, so. So I slide it. Okay, I slide it. So coming to your, now I'm playing from the, okay, I'm playing the re, do, la, do, re, do, la, do. Okay. Then you can play up. You can play some note up there, okay, to add more melody to either. So mi re do la do. But I'm playing a kind of a pullover. On the fifth string. That's mi re do. But I'm pulling over, okay. So that is the number 3 lick. So the number 4 licks I want you to learn is so what I'm playing there is Ti, do, la, ti, so, la. Okay. Mi, so, mi, do. Okay, I'm playing the Ti, do, la, ti, so, la, mi, so, mi, do. Okay, mi, so, mi, do. Okay, so the fifth lick I want to show you is all those stuff that I know that brings harmony and melody to music, whatever you are playing. Okay, when you try and apply them, it brings more melody to whatever you are playing. Okay, so it's very simple. You just play. You double play the so do and the la re. Okay. Okay, so what I'm playing here is re, so, mi, la. Okay, re, so, mi, la. But I'm holding the two at once and playing. Okay. Then I now pull over, okay, from the mi, re, do, la, okay, mi, re, do, la, do, okay. Okay, so stuff like that. So you can keep practicing that, okay. You keep practicing that, okay. Work on that, okay. So it's very simple. You just play from the so, do, and la, re. Then you play the two at once. Slide into the la, re. Okay. So it's very simple. So I believe you guys can, you know, understand me and try how to play it out, okay? So if you don't understand, I encourage you to keep it on the comment section, okay? I'll get back to you. So thanks for watching. I believe this video might have helped you one way or the other. So if it has helped you, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button. If you've not subscribed to the channel, hit the like button, okay? If you have any challenges, drop it in the comment section. I will really appreciate it, okay? See you guys in the next video.